Okay, today we're gonna try replace the battery for my Garmin HRM, or the heart rate monitor. I've been using this one for like more than 6 years now, and I really had a hard time removing all the bolts or the screws. So as you can see, they're kind of loosened up already, and you need to use a special tool for this one. The ordinary cheapos like this one won't work, so good thing I found one over here, and I just borrowed this one. So I think I can now remove all the bolts one by one. Okay, so there you go. One bolt's already out. And then let's try the remaining 3 bolts. Plus, I think the battery for this one is a 2032. This is an Energizer, but bought him for like 100 pesos, so I'm sorry, 60 pesos, so about $1.20, 25 cents. So also the chest strap, this one is also a Garmin and 6-year-old chest strap. As you can see, they're all worn out and I need to replace them. I bought a new one from, this is only from online shopping, which is Shopee or Lazada. You can also buy this one from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Alibaba, and the strap cost me only like I think $4, including the shipping. Yep. And it was working fine for about few months, and I think the problem now is with the battery, so I'm just gonna finish this up, and then I'm hoping that the new battery will work. I do believe it's not a problem with the chest strap. Why it is so hard to pronounce that one. Anyway, I think I'm having a hard time removing the last bolt or the last screw, and I think I also stripped most of the bolts, so oh, there you go, it's already out. Okay, if I cannot install all the bolts back together, I think I'm just going to use a glue or perhaps a tape to put back the cover. There you go. Let's see what number we have here. I think it's also 2032. Okay, so how to remove this? Bada boom. Alright, there you go, it's out. So I'm gonna use Energizer. There's some cheapo batteries out there that cost like only I think 10 pesos each, so I prefer using the Energizer. I'm hoping this one will work. Oh, this one has double plastic, so the wind is howling. Okay, how do we tear this one? This will take some time. Oh boy, oh no. So there's like cover here and then another cover over here, and I don't have scissors with me right now. I don't really want to cut the video. Holy shoot. There you go. Okay, so it's almost out. Just bear with me. This is damn hard. I'm gonna look for a scissor. Okay, Energizer 2032 battery is already out, and there you go, 2032. Will it fit? Like, will it fit over here? I'm pretty sure it will. So this red rubber over here is like the waterproofing. So my next problem is I'm not sure if the bolts are gonna fit once again, because it took me several hours to remove them, and I think they're all stripped or rounded. Well, you don't want to see this part, but I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna try and install all the bolts all together now. Maybe just use a tape if this one won't work, but I'm not really sure. So okay, this one's still working, but this one will take some time. So, and I think I've lost one of the screws. I'm gonna have to find it. Okay, all these screws are now installed back together, and as I've said, I am also gonna replace the old Garmin chest strap. They're all worn out. This one is also made in China, so the new one doesn't have a brand, but I tested this one like a couple of months and it was working fine. Same results or same reading with the beats per minute. So this is also made in China. So let's try to put this on the strap. Same deal, the one with no lock is nearest to the right side, because this Garmin HRM, they do have markings for right and left. There you go, R and then L. So what I normally use is the nearest one. This part over here, this is always considered as the right one, and then the other button is the left one. So I'm gonna open up my Zwift and then let's see if we can go ahead and detect the Garmin with the new Energizer battery. So I have to put this one on my chest, and okay, Zwift up and running. By the way, this connection is via ANT plus. So this is a Redmi Note 7 Pro. It won't work without the USB dongle. I'm using the Sun 2. Oop. What's this? Okay, just click OK for this one, and then detected. Just give it a few minutes or seconds and it should give you the heart rate reading. Let's sync, come on. It's acting up. Oh boy. Let's try and click OK again. There you go. So I think this is correct, 100 beats per minute, since I'm just sitting down and quite nervous with what happened. So there you go, the new battery works and the new chest strap works, even though it's unbranded or no brand with the chest strap, also made in China. Okie doke, so again, one thing you need to remember is make sure you buy the special tool like this one and avoid the cheapos like this one, and it's gonna strip off the original bolts on your Garmin heart rate monitor. Okay, so that's just all, guys. See you next time.